So there's another simple shortcut formula to find the variance. எல்லாத்தையுமே simple னு சொல்லிட்டு கஷ்டமா இருக்குன்னு சொல்லாதீங்க. So you just have to include one h square here. So you have h square divided by n square times n into அப்படியே தான் எழுதணும். Instead of x you will write a y. So you have yi square. Okay, you know what your di is. இப்போ di என்ன? xi minus a divided by h, where a is your assumed mean and h is your range, correct? Yi is also the same. So you can prefer writing di or yi, whichever you are comfortable with. Okay. So fi yi square minus sigma fi yi the whole square. So this is your other formula. So using this we'll solve some questions. You'll see how it is very easy. Okay. Example 12. We are going to use the simpler formula that we learned for variance. H square divided by n square times n into fi yi square minus sigma fi yi the whole square, where your yi is xi minus a divided by h. Here also we are not dealing with mean. So mean la kandupidikka venda. What all columns do I need? I have the class interval. I need my xi first. In that xi venma. So I need xi. What column do I need? Yi is xi minus a divided by h. Then I need my yi square. Then I need to multiply that with fi. So fi yi square. Then I need my fi yi. Okay. So these are the columns that I need. So what is my xi? Maximum plus minimum divided by 2. So 30 plus 40 is 70. 70 by 2 is 35. Then 45, 55, 65, 75, 85 and 95. Okay. Then n square and a sigma fi. So I'll need this. I'll find the sum now. 3 plus 7, 10. 10 plus 12 is 22. 22 plus 15 is 37. 37 plus 8 is 45. 45 plus 3 is 48, 49, 50. Okay. So my sum is 50. I'll erase these. Then yi is xi minus a divided by h. இப்போ a என்ன? A is your assumed mean. So it is the middle value of xi. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 values. So I have 3 on the top and 3 on the bottom. So this is my middle value. So I am assuming that my assumed mean is 65. Okay, xi தெரிஞ்சு போச்சு, a தெரிஞ்சு போச்சு. Then I have the xi values. Then what is my h? H is my range, which is 40 minus 30. You can take any class interval. Okay, 40 minus 30 is 10. If you verify with any class interval, it will be 10. Okay. So range வந்து h 10. So I need to find out each and every value. So now 35 minus 65 divided by 10. 35 minus 65 is minus 30. Minus 30 divided by 10 is minus 3. 45 minus 65 minus 20. So it will be minus 2. 55, 65 minus 10. So 1. 65, 65 0. 75 minus 65 10. 10 divided by 10 is 1. So 2 and 3. Okay. So basically you are getting all negative values. You are going to square them now. இப்போ yi square என்ன? இது square பண்ணணும். So 9, 4, 1, 0, 1, 4, 9. இப்போ fi yi square, multiply these two columns. 9 3s are 27, 7 4s are 28, 12 1s are 12, 0, 8 1s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 9 2s are 18. fi yi square oda summation வேணும். So I'm going to find the sum. 7 plus 8 15, 16 17, 17 plus 8 is 25, 26 27, 27 plus 8 is 35. 3 carry over, 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, 105. இப்போ fi yi வேணும். So fi yi is minus 9. Then 7 2s are 14, minus 14, minus 12, 0, 8 1s are 8, 3 2s are 6, 2 3s are 6. Okay. So what is my sum? I have 6 plus 6 is 12, minus 12 plus 12 cancel ஆயிடும். So what am I left with? Minus 9, minus 14 and plus 8. Minus 9 and minus 14 will be minus 23, minus 23 plus 8. So I'll have 23 and 8. இத பண்ணா என்ன ஆகும்? 13 minus 8 is 5, 15. So I'll have minus 15. So this is my fi yi. இப்போ formula substitute பண்ணா what will I have? Sigma equals, sigma square is this whole formula. Sigma square na I can take the square root. So h square by n square becomes h divided by n times square root of n times, what is my n? 50 times fi yi whole square. அது இங்க இருக்கு. So it is 105 minus, what is my fi yi? 15. So it will be minus 15 the whole square. I'll substitute values for h and n. 10 divided by 50. So I have 10 divided by 50 square root of 105 into 5 enna? 5 5s are 25, 2 5 1s are 5. 5 2 5 0 minus 15 into 15 enna? 15 into 15. So I'll write 25. The number after 1 is 2. So it will be 225. So 225. So now I need to subtract these two. Subtract panna enna agum? 5250 225. So 4 5205. So I'll have square root of 5025 divided by 5. 5025 square root enna? Let me do it here. 5025 square root 7 7s are 49, 125, 7 2s are 14, 0 times 0, 0. இப்போ இந்த இடத்துல point 00 வரும், 00. I can put a point here. 7 2s are 14, 14 140. So I can do 9 times. 9 9 9s are 81, 8 8 9 4s are 36, 3 9 1s are 9, 10 11 12. So it will be 70.8. Okay. So 70.8. So this will be 70.8 divided by 5. So I'll have 5 1s are 5, 2 5 4s are 20. Apro 5 1s are 5 again, 3 5 6 are 30. So it will be 14.16. This is my final answer. Okay.